group training.
It helps if you get trained in it. But what I would do is, go and get a meeting with the pastor and just say, we're bringing on a lot of pastors, a lot of music, and we're coming in and doing a free seminar, okay, for anyone in the congregation that needs help, that's having a problem, and it can be any kind of problem. But just sit down with the pastor. Most of the pastors would love some. Matter of fact, Teresa's been doing meetings in churches on nutrition.
Yeah, health and wellness. Yeah,
she does health and wellness stuff in there, and we have other people. That are in churches. They just bring on everybody because, if you're a counselor in a church, people will bring you their problems about divorce and their children, and they got on drugs, or they doing this, or they had a speeding ticket, or they got in a wreck. They did shoplifting. Pastors, they hear everything.
Yeah.
And so if you can go in there and tell them that you can offer them something that may be able to help them, and let the pastor sign them up, and the church will make a little money also. So that's a very good question, and it's a good place to go too.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you.